Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video, we will going to learn how to increase the video RAM graphics without any software. If you have Intel inbuilt graphics card, then this video is for you. So without further ado, let's get started. So first, we will go to this start icon, click on your right mouse button and go for device manager. After that, just maximize this, then come over this display adapter and go for Intel RHD graphics 520. Click on it and then click on your right mouse button and go for update driver. Search automatically for drivers, and if your update driver is saying the base driver for your device are already installed, then it's okay. Close it, and then so now we will go to this start icon, click on your right mouse button and go for settings. After that, we clicking on settings, we will go for system. And after that, we will click on display and then go for advanced display setting. After that, we will go for display adapter properties for display 1. Click on it. And then here you will get information called dedicated video memory 128 MB. And the first was the graphics memory. So we will look for this dedicated video memory 128 MB. So I have 8 GB RAM. So that could be much more MB should be here. So let's increase it by go for start icon and then go for run. By this, here you can see regedit. So write regedit and then click OK. After that, click yes, and then here you are in registry editor. After that, here you will get HQ local machine. So click on it and then go for software. After going for software, you will get the options called. So here click on Intel and then go for your right mouse button and click on new key over here and name it like me GMM. Click enter. By clicking on enter, here is a default interface. Here you can see. So click on new and keyword 32-bit value and then name it called dedicated segment size. Name it like this and then click on your right mouse button. Then click on your right mouse button and go for modify. By going modify, here now you have to make a value. How you can make a value? So just come over this notepad and here you can see I wrote some of value of my RAM. So here you can see I have 8 GB RAM. That's why I have 8 GB RAM. It's called the value 1024 MB. If you have any of this RAM size, you should need to copy the value over here. So I have 8 GB RAM. That's why I'm copying this value over here. Just click copy and close it and then paste it over here and then click OK. And by this, now the RAM value will increase. So this is how you can increase your RAM value in graphics. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope to see you another video. Till then, goodbye.